This is the story of the most expensive lesson of my adult life. So my wife was driving to the gym, reached this intersection and started to turn because this guy had his indicator on like he was turning. Turns out he wasn't. She swerved to avoid him, hit the traffic light, van keeps driving. Nice. Good news is that my wife wasn't hurt, so that's good. Safety first, check that box. The bad news is that the car was. Apparently the K-frame was damaged, which I don't know what that means, but it's now a write-off. But that's why you have insurance, right? Right? To my defense, I thought I did have insurance. I've had insurance for 5 years, but then when I actually called them up to say, hey, I finally got a claim to make, they said, your insurance is no longer active because you didn't renew when we sent you the docs. So I checked my inbox and where they sent it, and for whatever reason, Gmail didn't show that to me. I don't know if it went to spam. I guess it did because they're just not there. All the previous years are there, but not last year. So didn't see the emails, didn't renew, not covered, which means that the $17,000 car that's now gone is on me. So I'm having a sale. 40% off everything in the Blender Guru store using the coupon code WHOOPS. I'm being serious. I'm not joking. This is a flash sale, crash sale, if you will. So if you want some grass essentials, you want some rock essentials, 40% off. You want some outdoor lighting, you want some studio lighting, 40% off. I don't know how long this sale is going to last. It's going to last as long as it takes me to get $17,000 so that I can sleep at night. A day, a week, a month, I don't know. But get it while you can. Links here, and make sure you use the coupon code WHOOPS. And hopefully don't make the same mistake I did. Set a calendar reminder, set a scheduled email to email yourself, or set it up to renew, or just live in perpetual fear that you just won't be covered in the future sometimes, and it's going to be all your fault.